Hi mga ka-district, Jan here again from Jandam District. And for today's video, another legit app na naman tayo kung saan ka pwedeng kumita online. At ang application nga pala guys ay walang iba kundi ang Clickworker. Ito ay accessible using app by downloading it sa Play Store at pwede nyo rin siyang i-access via website. For this video guys, gagamitin natin yung application. So ngayon, sign up lang tayo guys. Ang sanalag ko nga pala dito is sign up using Google. At syempre, i-enter nyo na yung information ninyo to complete the registration. Napakadali lang guys ang registration process, kaya huwag kayong mag-alala, especially sa information na ilalagay ninyo. After nyo mag-sign up guys, mapupunta kayo sa page na to kung saan kailangan nyo i-enable yung location ninyo and also yung notification. Guys, napaka-importante ng notification kasi kapag may task, may kita nyo siya agad. And also guys, kapag may task na survey, please make sure to answer it right away kasi most of the time, meron silang number of participants lang na kinukuha. So, kung late mo nagawa yung survey, may possibility na hindi ka na makapasok kasi full na yung participants nila. And guys naman, meron din silang onboarding dito na kailangan yung tapusin. At what you can see per job is merong 1 cent euro. At dyan guys, is more on how to videos lang naman yan technically. Papanoorin nyo lang at tatapusin nyo lang. Kasi some of the tasks will require you to take photos, take a video, or do a recording. And syempre guys, below onboarding, meron dyang instant job. Ito na yung mga survey guys, as what you can see, napakadami niyan. May 0.27 euros, 0.22 euros, at marami pang iba. Ayan, may 0.26. May kita nyo naman guys, at kung gaano rin katagal yung mismong survey. But most of the time guys, hindi naman tumatagal talaga ng ganyan. Halimbawa yung 15 minutes, you can do it like 5 minutes lang and then you're done. And last guys is yung available jobs. Dito nyo makita yung mga available jobs na pwede nyo gawin. Madalas dito guys, ito yung may mga malalaking amount na pwede kayong makuha. Halimbawa yan, yung unang-una, boost technology with your selfies. 3.55 euros agad siya. At napakadami yan guys, so try nyo na. At syempre, usapang payout naman tayo. Click nyo lang yung profile and then mag-add lang kayo ng payment method dito guys. At ang payout pala nila dito guys is via Clickworker e-wallet. At ang payout threshold nila is 10 euros per 7 days or every 7 days. And also guys, para mag-create, i-enter nyo lang lahat ng information required dyan. And then submit. And then guys, ang sa akin dito, naka $10 ako ata after 2 weeks. Kasi most of the time, ang ginawa kong task is yung mga available job. So, ayun lang guys for today's video. For more information, you can visit naman yung application at may mga clickable links naman sila. So, salamat po guys sa pag-watch ng video na ito. Sana nakatulong. If you have any question, suggestion, please comment down below and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!